All right, guys, it's the 9th day of March 2023. We're going to do some rail flying out here off of 169 Plymouth. I'm going to cruise on up here. Here we go. This bridge goes across 169. As you can see, there's no snow at all. It's kind of a busy rail line, as you can kind of see. But yeah. It's a nice day to go out and do some rail fanning. I haven't seen anybody yet. When you see the green come on, then I know I'm in trouble. But not too bad. Just like a rail line that connects with the main line that goes to Seattle. Come up to 169. A little metal there. They always, I don't know why they don't take them with them. They always just throw the stuff out. Saturday, gorgeous day. Only 24. Gonna head up. There's a couple pedestrian minutes I want to do. I gotta go do a drug test today at 11:30. So little job change action, but I don't see too many trains coming across here. Once in a while I do. Yeah. People out and about. I gotta go back the other way because Bass Lake Road, they put the whole new bridge in. I can't get on northbound. I gotta go back up the other way. A lot of trains used to, big train area out here in Minnesota, but not like it used to be. You guys see any trains yet? I don't. Once in a while they come by. Trains run 24/7. I haven't seen one yet. Went downtown Hopkins this morning at Hoagies and Hoggies and had a nice ham and cheese omelet. It's like 45 degrees. Beautiful day in Minnesota. Saw some RVers they walk on the track for some video, and then a train came. It was kind of funny. They were just kind of walking. It's pretty hilarious. They're just wandering on the tracks. It's an old ass boat right there. I stored that bad boy in there. Blue pallet. Let's turn around, shall we? Kind of go. We'll head back to the vehicle. We got to cruise up the home plate, but anyways, just kind of something different. Little rail fan. There's some cemeteries I want to go to too as well. Continue that on. Those are fun. There's a couple up in Anoka I saw the other day. Those are kind of fun to go to. The big ones. I was down in Rochester yesterday. It's an old cemetery, but that's a truck to go for a day off or something. But yeah, these are always my one guy, Danny. He does a lot of. There's days he goes rail fanning and finds nothing. He's kind of weighing down his videos because he's a married man. That takes a lot of time to be a rail fanner because you got to run around. You got to cruise around and look for stuff. So, but anyways. Beautiful day here in Minnesota. It's gorgeous. Great day for videoing. Couple of pedestrian bridges. That one up here and I go next is up there by Champlin. It's huge. So then there's another one over in Fridley I saw. It's two as well. It's a big one. Two as well, so we want to break an ankle. I didn't see anything yet. No trains. You never know. All of a sudden it comes rumbling down on you. But anyways. Cold enough to have some gloves on today. So, anyways, we're gonna go hit some stuff today. There's a farm I want to go hit up in up by Anoka. It's abandoned. It's an old farm. It's been abandoned for a while. We'll go check that one out. Get around to it. So, anyways, guys. We'll yak at you all later. Rail fanning in Plymouth. So, we'll yak at you all later. It's a while, Crocodile. Thanks.